how to use Slack. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Slack step by step, perfect if you're just starting out. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to slack.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a bunch of options, but the one you're looking for is sign in. Slack will give you a few ways to log in. The easiest one, sign in with Google. If you're already using Google for your work or personal stuff, this is a super quick way to get in. Go ahead and click sign in with Google. You'll see a list of your Google accounts. Just pick the one you want to use for Slack. Make sure it's the same one tied to your workspace so everything connects smoothly. After choosing your account, click continue. This just gives Slack the permission it needs to access basic info from your Google account. Nothing sketchy, totally secure. Now, once that's done, Slack will offer you the option to use it directly in your browser. If you're just trying it out or don't want to download the app yet, this is a great way to get started. So click use Slack in your browser, and you're in. You can now start exploring Slack's workspace, check out channels, and begin collaborating with your team right away. That's all it takes to get started with Slack. It's super beginner-friendly and designed to make work communication smooth and organized. As you keep using it, you'll discover cool features like threads, huddles, file sharing, and more. I hope this helped you get comfortable with Slack. Don't forget to explore and customize your space to match how your team works best. See you in the next one.